Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sortini. I'm from 5AG2 class, and I would like to answer the question of exam in 1 week last week. The first question is what the reason for learning discourse analysis? Because I'm student, I have to learn about discourse analysis, and I have known what the function of discourse analysis, what the reason why the student and whether it's a student or not. We have to learn about discourse analysis. So in learning discourse analysis, we have to know two things that practice and theory. Theory the function of theory is a guide us to know uh, the what we have to do in discourse analysis. So and then the practice, and we know that the pragmatic meaning, and then the function and the the difference between function and form, and then we know what the better answer for the equation, and then what the hidden meaning of a sentence like will you marry me, and then we give the answer. Maybe it's better if you see your face in the mirror. So it's the function of the sentence. It's refuse or penolakan in bahasa. And the second of question, what do you know of traditional structure as well as function? So the traditional is a kind of rule that we have to follow when we want to analyze the sentence of language, and then it's a big rule, and we can make mistake if we don't follow the rule of traditional. And the structure, it's using conversation as a medium, and so we have to conversation each other, and we can analyze the mistake. And we have to listening from the native speaker to know the truth of the conversation that we have done. And then as well as function is for example, what do you want to eat, and we answer everything is okay. Based on the grammar, it's true, everything is okay, but in the function is totally wrong, because it's not a specific answer. And then I think we have to give the specific answer, like I want to eat fried chicken, I want to eat fried rice, I want to eat a cake or bread or burger or spaghetti, something like that. So we know that what they want to eat. We don't dizzy, or our mind it's not or something like that. And then the third occasion is what do you know of discourse and discourse analysis? In my opinion, discourse it's a it's a form like a spoken speech orally, and then like conversation or dialogue, and then written, for example text or something like that, and we can analysis what the mistake and what the truth of actually grammar. And then discourse analysis is when we analysis the sentence, or the spoken from the native speaker, or from like us from Indonesian, and using a language and then we analyze the function and the verb. Spoken is one of the discourse. Spoken it's using communication or conversation orally. And then what the relationship between discourse analysis? Discourse analysis have to have three genesis. The first is traditional, the second is structuralism, and the third is function. So in the relationship between spoken and discourse analysis, it exists in structuralism. In structuralism, we use spoken orally, we have to conversation, and we can identify or analyze the mistake of it. And then the sixth question: what do you know of classroom conversation and casual conversation? Uh, best what I have best what I have to read in article and the PPT that a lecturer give us that classroom conversation is communication that we do in classroom and with the teacher or with our classmate, and then we identify or analyze the mistake, and then the teacher have to apply three method when they want to teach, like pre-teaching, while teaching, and post-teaching. And yeah, of course there are a lot of rule when we want to do classroom conversation, because yeah, you know, it's formal. And then is casual conversation is like what we do in daily activity for with our family or with society, with our friend in outside from classroom or in the campus university of our our school. And so I think there is no specific or it's have no many rules that we have to follow if you want to do casual conversation. And the sixth and the last conversation, in your opinion, what the language learns to what language learn need to be successful in using their language skill in real social interaction? Like I think we have to know the theory of discourse analysis. For example, in my environment, there are a lot of people that have a black heart, so they have a bad manner, and they always like say something that it's not true about ourselves. And then yeah, we have to know the pragmatic of course we learn in discourse analysis pragmatic, hidden meaning. And then function, of course function, because I have read the form like uh, we have to give the answer from the equation from someone a specific, like previously I said what do you want to eat, and we say everything is okay, but it's not specific answer, you know, it's make our bed. And I think it's not based on the function, it's based on grammar, it's true, but it's not like the function of language. Maybe it's my answer from the six seven question. And I hope everything is true. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.